Hello everyone, I am Samriti Doshi and today me and my teammates are going to present you a PPT on Facebook thrift. Teammates are Rohit Dulare, Smita Masti and Sejal Yadav. Contents of this PPT. What is thrift? Introduction to Facebook thrift. Features. Overview. Thrift struct. Steps. Services. Advantages, disadvantages and conclusion. What is thrift? Thrift is an interface definition language and binary communication protocol. It is used as RPC, that is Remote Procedure Call, and it was developed by Facebook for scalable cross language and service development. It combines software stack with a code generation engine to build a service that can work efficiently on any programming language like C, C++, Python, Java, Ruby, etc. Thrift makes easy cross-language communication. It is an open source project in Apache Software Foundation. Introduction to Facebook Thrift. The primary goal of Thrift is to enable efficient and reliable communication across programming languages by abstracting the portion of each language that tend to require most customization into a common library that is implemented in each language. A software library with set of code generation tool developed by Facebook to expedite development and implementation of scalable and efficient back-end services is Facebook Thrift. Thrift is designed to be as simple as possible for developers who can define all necessary data structures and interface for a complex service. In short, file. The file is called as Thrift Interface Definition Logic File or Thrift Ideal File. Now I request Sejal Yadav to continue further PPT.
My name is Sejal Gajan Yadav and I am going to explain the features of the thrift. Thrift consists of the language neutral stack which can be implemented across the various languages. As we know that the thrift, it is the library which consists of the set of the codes which are used to generate the various programming languages. Thrift is designed to be as simple as possible so that everything can be defined in a single short file. Thrift allows you to define the data types and the service interfaces in a single short file. A cross-language interaction is possible so that one language can be interacted or affected by the another language and the communication between the two programming language can be possible. Simple interface and data definition languages are transformed to the client and server remote procedure call libraries. The taking the file as input and then compiler generates the code which is used to build the RPC client and the servers which communicate between the programming languages. Here it is the architecture overview of the thrift which is explained by this slide. In this slide we can see that it is divided into three parts, that is the visitors, web servers and the staff. The front-end presentation layer which is formed by the visitors, the back-end presentation layer which is formed by the staff. The web server consists of the database and the combinedly the front-end presentation layer, back-end presentation layer and the database are connected to the business and the data server layers. Thrift structure. A thrift structure defines a common object to be used across the languages. A structure is essentially similar to a class in object-oriented programming languages. Thrift structure has a strongly typed field with unique field identifiers. A basic syntax for thrift structure is very similar to the structure used in a C. As in a given example, the thrift definition languages supports the automatic assignment of field identifiers, but it is a good programming practice to always explicitly specify the field identifiers. The field with the identifiers omitted are assigned identifiers decrementing for one and the language only for manual assignment and the positive identifiers. The next slide will be explained by Rohit Dola.
Hi, I'm Rohit. I'm here for the further presentation. Let's talk about step. Developer identifies some challenges of cross-language interaction in the environment of network. So they develop some step to face such challenges. The steps are named as a transport, protocol, versioning, processor. The first step is transport. Transport is basically common interface provided by the thrift to transport information we can use any language like C++, Java for the transportation. Hence it is named as a common interface. Next one is protocol. To transfer such raw data, it should be in a perfect format, like it should encode in a particular format like binary, which used certain protocol to encode. The next step is versioning. It is a very important step because every service should evolve from its current version. For that, data type should provide a mechanism to add, erase and alter the argument list of function without any interruption. The next step is processor. Processor process the data stream and accomplish the remote processor call. The next slide is about services. Thrift has been employed a large number of applications in Facebook, including search, login, mobile ad and developer platform. The most important services given by the Thrift to the Facebook are search and login. Facebook for searching, Facebook use Thrift as a underlined protocol and transport layer. Also it uses a multi-language code generation because it allows application development in the effective server side language like C++. Hence they use a multi-language code generation. The next one is login. Next service is login. For the login, Facebook use Thrift T-file transport facility. The service name with its parameter is used as a entry, and the function name is used for the identify the login. Login can be used for the variety of process like online, offline processing, state agreement, and as a redo log. So the next slide will be conducted by Smita Masti.
Advantages of Facebook Thrift. Thrift generates or provides a platform for both server and client to interface, and that too in a consistent manner. In this service, client calls are more consistent. Related to above, Thrift RPC-like behavior means that you get type safety. Thrift can support various protocols. It not only just supports HTTP, but if someone is dealing with large volume of service calls or they may have bandwidth requirements, then the client or server can switch to more efficient transport. Thrift is mature piece of software which is very well tested as well as used. Disadvantages of Thrift. Thrift is poorly documented. When the clients are building calling code, they get more work to get started. While on the other hand, there is less work for the service owner if they are building libraries for the client, which leads to another dependency. Conclusion. Thrift has enabled Facebook to build large amount of backend services very efficiently, which has enabled the engineers to divide and conquer. Finally, Thrift has been added to Apache Software Foundation as Apache Thrift Project, making it open source framework for cross-building service implementation. Thank you.